In the gentle landscape of rural Texas, the 16 by 40 dormer cabin stands as a testament to possibility. The structure reveals itself through thoughtful details like the crisp white or batten siding contrasting against black trim, creating a timeless aesthetic that feels both modern and familiar. Natural light filters through carefully positioned windows. 4 3x4 insulated panes, transom windows catching morning light, each opening a dialogue between interior and exterior spaces. The dormer is an expansion of possibility, adding height and breathing room to the lofted interior, providing an additional window for cross ventilation. At its essence, this cabin shell is a canvas awaiting personal expression. Some will see a weekend retreat, others permanent residence, scale to what truly matters. What begins as 640 square feet of potential transforms with each decision. Where morning coffee will be savored, the journey from shell to home is perhaps the most meaningful part of the process, a gradual revelation of what shelter can become when crafted with intention.